this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey, Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl, Malia.Angelic. As you can see, today is another HelloFresh video. And the meal that I'm going to be cooking is chicken, sausage, and sweet pea pasta. I don't be wanting to pronounce all these pasta names, okay? Prep 5 minutes instead of 10. It's always 10, but now it's 5. Total 30 minutes. Calories 880. Excuse me. The ingredients that are included is lemon, pasta, Tuscan heat spice, Parmesan cheese, chili pepper, Italian chicken sausage mix, cream cheese, and peas. The ingredients not included is olive oil, butter, salt, and pepper. If you ain't part of Wine Club, get part of Wine Club. Pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon, Rich. Ooh, that's the first time we got Rich, baby. Alright, let's get into these steps. Step number 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Wash and dry all produce. Zest and quarter lemon. Thinly sliced chili, removing seeds for less heat. Step 2. Cook pasta. Once water is boiling, add pasta to pot. Cook until al dente. 9 to 11 minutes. Reserve 3/4 cup pasta cooking water. Then drain. That's a whole ASMR. Step 3. Cook sausage. Meanwhile, heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add sausage and cook, breaking up meat into pieces until brown and cook through 5 to 7 minutes. Tip: if there's excess grease in your pan, carefully pour it out. So when you're like breaking it up, it's just like when you're making tacos and you're cooking the ground beef, you just break it up, you know? All right, let's get into these steps, baby. Alright, step number 4. Season sausage. Stir half the Tuscan heat spice, half the lemon zest, and a pinch of chili and salt into a pan with sausage. Cook, stirring 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step number 5. Make sauce. Stir half a cup. There we go. Reserve pasta cooking water and juice from 1 lemon wedge into same pan. Bring mixture to a simmer, scraping up any brown bits from bottom of pan. Turn off heat. Stir in cream cheese, half the parmesan, and salt. Cook, stirring until smooth. Then our last and final step. Stir pasta, peas, and 2 tablespoons butter into pan with sauce until peas are warmed through and butter is melted. If needed, stir in more reserved pasta cooking water, 1 tablespoon at a time until pasta is coated in a creamy sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Divide between bowls. Sprinkle with remaining parmesan, lemon zest, and chili if desired. Serve with remaining lemon wedges on the side. So let's get right into it, baby, and y'all will see the result. Serving time. Got my little bowl. Every time it's a pasta dish, there's always so much. But that is sitting over there. Let's get it. Alright guys, look, this is the finished result. It looks so good. Y'all made it to the end. Y'all made it to the very end of this video. Thank you. I really enjoy cooking videos because, you know, you can make this at home if you wanted to. I provide you guys with the same ingredients that I cook with, and I give you all the steps, so you ain't gotta look it up and you ain't gotta do HelloFresh. You can just do this on your own. Hint, Cheyenne. But yeah, like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.